Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm back again. Let me show you guys how to crochet a leaf. This is a ivy, and I am going to use cotton yarn, which is a number 2 yarn, and also size F 3.75mm crochet hook. You can use any number of yarn, any number of hook. It's up to you guys. This is just a tutorial. Okay, so first we're going to make a chain of 4. One, two, three, 4, and then we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning chain. So this is the beginning chain. If I am forming a ring using the chains, I am joining it at the back ridge. Okay, this is the front and this is the back. I'm going to join it with slip stitch there into the back ridge of the beginning chain to form a ring. Okay, now we are going to make a chain 1, and we're going to make 8 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning chain. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is my beginning chain here. Join it with slip stitch there. Alright, and make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. Then make 1 double crochet, picot, and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. 1 double crochet, and then picot. To do the picot, make a chain of 3 and then slip stitch into the third chain from hook. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch there to make the picot. Okay, and then make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, now into the next stitch we're going to make 1 treble. To make the treble, wrap around yarn on hook twice, insert it into the next stitch. Okay, and then we're going to make another picot. 1, 2, 3, insert hook into the third chain down from the hook. 1, 2, 3, okay, and we are going to make 1 treble into the same space. And then 1 double crochet into the same space. Okay, now into the next space we are going to make 1 single here into the next chain. Make 1 single. Can you see it properly? Let me put it down a little bit. Okay, and then make 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, and into the next stitch make 2 double crochet. 1, 2, and then make a treble into the same stitch. And then make a picot. then treble into the same stitch, and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, now for the next stitch, we are going to make two half double crochet, 1, 2, and single crochet into the same stitch. Okay, this is how it looks like. All right, now into the next stitch, we are going to make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and then make a treble into the same stitch again, and then make a picot, okay, and then treble into the same stitch, all right, looks like that. And then into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, and then make a picot, and then make a single crochet into the last stitch here. The very last stitch, make 1 single crochet. All right, and slip stitch into the beginning chain, then you can cut your yarn. So this is the ivy leaf. Okay guys, okay, I'm sorry about my cover here for my table. I washed the old one. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let me put it here so it's more clearly. Okay, that's the ivy leaf. All right, I hope this helps guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for crocheting with me, and see you again for my next tutorial.